Agyo, ang Galianon Epic na Mindanao, isang kwento ng kagitingan, pagsubok, at pagbalik. In the heart of a human, live Agyo and his brothers. Their lives are intertwined with the Moro people, marked by trade and occasional conflict.
Mga kapatid, ihanda ang ating mga produkto. Kailangan natin ng kapayapaan sa kikipagkapaglakalan.
Okay, Agyo. But this time, Moro Dato, he's kinda shady, you know. Last time, he shortchanged us.
Basta't sumunod sa usapan, walang problema, mga kapatid.
Ano ito lang? Ano ito lang yung dala nyo? Napakaliit! Hindi kayo magpapaloko. Wala ka sa katayuan. Huwag mo kaming maliitin. Mga walang hiya! Agyo! Bakit? Anong nangyari?
The Kuya so killed the Moro Dato.
Ganun ba? Kailangan natin maghanda para sa pararating na pagkikipaglaban. Mga kasama, bilisan natin. Parating na ang mga muro.
Agyo, we need more rattan to secure the log.
I hope this fort can hold. They are a lot.
Ngayon na, palayain ang mga truso! Ah! Bag! Ha! Ha! Mga kasamahan, kailangan nating lumikas. Hindi na tayo ligtas dito. Masusunod pinuno. Tara na!
Agyo, I found a beehives and there's a wild pig.
Alright, it's time to eat.
Banlak, what about Mungan? She could have your share.
I abandon her.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Ako na nga ang maghahatid ng pagkain kay Mungan.
Maraming salamat, Bruno.
Agyo, Mungan is real. She's even more beautiful now.
Agyo, I made a huge mistake. I want to go back, Mongan.
You abandon her. Can you be trusted? Sige, bumalik ka. Patunayan mo sa iyong sarili. Tara na. Kahit saan tayo mapadpad, sama-sama tayo magtatayo ng ating tahanan.
And so, Agyo and his people continued their journey, their spirit unbroken, and their culture alive.
Years have passed. Agyo's country, Ligyandang, prospered. But peace is always fragile. Invaders from the Bay of Lumagon attacked.
Ipagtanggol ang ating bayan! Wow!
Sus! Another fight? I just wanna chill, man.
Nak, huwag mong hayaang masakop tayo ng mga kaway.
But I'm just a kid.
You have a blood of a warrior. Now is the time to show it. We surrender!
Tanagyao's bravery became known throughout the land. He reached the country of Baklayan, and there was consternation in the place.
Salamat sa iyong pagdating, Tanagyaw. Kailangan na kailangan namin ng iyong tulong.
Ako si Panidjuan, anak ng dat. I will offer myself in marriage to whoever says to punish you.
Ah, okay. I'll help, but I'm not really looking for marriage. You are a worthy warrior. You have saved us. Panagyan, fulfill your promise.
I will go with you to Nagyao, whether you want to marry me or not. I will help you save your country.
Agyu's country was endangered by invaders again, but Tanagyao successfully repulses the invaders.
Agyu, we are outnumbered. Huwag kang makalala. Kaya natin to.
Don't worry, I got this. You have been ashamed. Tanagyaw, you have proven yourself. You deserve this land. Salamat, Ama.
Sulawan is beautiful. We will build a great life here.
And so, Tanagyao, the reluctant warrior, became a leader and found love. The epic of Agyo continues through his descendants.